Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process to enable or disable search suggestions in Google Chrome. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Then, select and open Google Chrome from the search results. Once Chrome is open, click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings. In the Settings panel on the right, navigate to the Sync and Google Services section. Scroll down until you find the option related to improving search suggestions. You will see a toggle switch next to it. Turn this switch off to disable search suggestions, or turn it on to enable them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.